Alright, so my Tabor City home here. Day 2 of trying to get the impeller. I kept calling it a flywheel, it's not a flywheel. Trying to get the impeller off the old chipper shredder. And you know, today we're going to try something different. I looked in the Craftsman repair manual for this chipper shredder, and it tells you exactly what you need to get the impeller off. So I'm going to show you the tool setup we're using today. We have our backhoe with a chain wrapped around the motor, and then we have a tow strap wrapped around the tree with the hooks going into the impeller. So we're gonna, that's not actually in the Craftsman repair manual, but we're gonna give this a shot and see if we can use a little hydraulic power to get this thing lodged loose of this body here, so we can keep working on this thing. So let's give it a shot and see what happens. Now I am here to tell you that that is one tough piece of kit right there. I don't know if you guys could see it through the camera lens, but it was actually pulling the backhoe. Now I didn't have the outriggers down, but it was actually pulling the backhoe towards the tree. Thing I don't like about that try is that the entire unit flipped up to where the motor was hanging low, and so we're actually not trying to pull the impeller straight off. So we're going to see if we can reconfigure this thing a little bit and see if we can make that happen. We'll be right back. This thing is tougher than a woodpecker's lips. Alright, see what we get out of it this time. I just want to say that if you worked at the factory where they put together Craftsman chipper shredders, you, sir, if you are the one who put the impeller on the chipper shredder, you are a beast. You're a daggum fine American. Because you built something that is not easily destroyed. So, salute you. But daggum, brother. I mean, at some point we got to trade this sucker out. Whew. Alright, let's see what the next evolution holds. Alright, here we go. Test number 2. Alright, let me reset and try a different way. On a lighter note, I'm glad this is an American product that's holding up like this. Yeah. Alright. Alright, let's see what we got left. Oh my god. Okay. So, you guys aren't going to believe this. Ooh, okay. Let me get you out of the sunlight. Well, as you saw, went flying in 100 different pieces. The impeller is still there. Let me show you what happened. It completely ripped the back off of the motor. It ripped the motor in two. before it would let the impeller off. Can you believe that? Oh, God. Woo! Man. Again. Whew, if you worked at a plant where you put the impeller on a Craftsman chipper shredder, sir, my hat is off to you. You are a working sucker, cause holy moly! Oh man, that is one stuck piece right there. Kind of don't know. I guess we'll get the grinder out and start cutting pieces apart and trying to get down to where we need to be to get that shaft out of there. Man, I'm telling you, I was at work yesterday and I was thinking, man, I got a backhoe. I mean, hydraulics, come on, we're just going to pull that thing right apart. We pulled it apart okay, but it wasn't the way I thought it was going to end up. Woo. Anyways. Okay. So, my Tabor City home to you. We got the motor off the house, most of it. There's a couple pieces left. We'll get to grinding and see what we end up with. We may end up going down to my follow-ons, get the acetylene torch, and trying to heat that impeller up and see if we can knock that shaft out of there. So we'll see what all that entails. Man, anyways. So if you have a backhoe and you have a stuck impeller, I mean, you can always just rip the motor apart and see where that gets you. So, my Tabor City home to you. You guys have a great day. Let's get outside. Let's do something. Let's build something. Let's repair something. Let's get out there and do something with our hands. America's not a disposable nation. God bless.